Welcome to Stock Market Investing with the ARMR Report. I'm Brett Rosenthal. I created the ARMR Report with the intention of bringing individual investors who are managing their own capital, that's you, together with an institutional flow of information. And we're going to make it easy to understand, and we're going to make it simple to execute, because we're going to follow the ARMR investing way. It's a three-stage process. We build our whiteboard of fundamental ideas we want to own. We use ARMR algorithms to help us execute, to know when to add positions and when to take them off. And we marry all that with a stop-loss discipline. Those three processes all together are called quantamental investing. That's what we do here. I want to do a quick note tonight to show you the rotation that's going on in the market. We've made a major change in the ARMR portfolios, and I want to share with you what that is and show you why we're doing it. And don't forget, I'm sharing with you information that I use to manage my own personal capital. I'm not telling you what to do. I don't know. You don't know your risk tolerance. So I'm not giving you ideas that you have to go by. What I'm saying is I'm using 30 plus years of experience managing capital, and I'm sharing an investing process that if we follow this process over and over and put ourselves on the right side of probabilities, when reward is worth the risk, our net worth will follow. So without further ado, let's jump into the chart you're looking at right now. Okay? You're seeing a picture. Hey, I'm a little bigger now. You're seeing a picture of the value index. Okay? Now the ARMR portfolios, we have 3 of them at our on our website, the ARMR Report, ARMRreport.com. You can take a look at it. All 3 portfolios are portfolios that I put my own personal capital in. One of them is an index-only portfolio. All we do there is use ARMR algorithms to buy the top 7 indexes we use to drive our risk management decisions. The NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Momentum Index, the Value Index, and the IBD 50, which is like dynamic growth. Those 7 drive all our risk decisions. Last year, the place to be was dynamic growth and momentum. What I submit to you tonight is that 2022 will be the year of the value investing. But what that really means is, forget about the word value investing. What's in that index? Take a look at the Dow. What's in that index? We just had a fairly aggressive sell-off in the last couple of trading sessions. And as you can see, value and the Dow, and we use ETFs for this. So DIA is the ETF of the Dow. VLUE is the ETF for value. Neither of those assets went down. In fact, they're making new highs on the week. If you drill down into those portfolios, what you're going to find is economy reopening, commodity-driven assets. The economy will reopen at some point. The Fed has said they will not stop adding liquidity until way past economic recovery. They don't care about inflation. We're starting to see commodities take over. And so what I'm saying to you tonight is we're shifting at the ARMR Report. We're not going to focus as aggressively on the high-flying, small-cap tech stocks of last year. That's last year's trade. We're focused on the move unfolding in front of our eyes right now. And you can see it by looking at the Dow and looking at value. Now look at what happened to momentum. Momentum is what got crushed this week. Clear rotation out of big momentum stocks, which are the high-flying tech stocks, into value and the Dow. This has been started, quite frankly, over the last couple months in a more stealthy, kind of quiet way. Don't believe me? Take a look at this chart. How about Rio Tinto? Major head and shoulders bottom in Rio Tinto. Here's the shoulder, here's the head, here's the shoulder. This is the neckline that blew out starting in November. Okay, this is a big basic metal stock. We loaded up our portfolio in the last few days on silver again, right? Why are we doing that? Well, look at Sprott Physical Silver. It's breaking out of a major pennant. Okay? Take a look at Pan American Silver. Coming out of a major base. It hasn't even come out yet, guys. We're early. We're buying it deep in the base. Okay? Take a look at Hecla. Hecla Mines just coming out. Now, the reason Hecla is interesting is that Hecla also has a piece of the zinc market. So take a look at this addition today in ARMR portfolios. U.S. Steel. Okay? This is one of my favorite setups. A downtrend that's been broken. The first move off the bottom, I disregard. I never get that first move. I don't need it. What I'm looking for is the first pullback to the 50-day, a double bottom that sets up, and I put capital to work. You need zinc to make steel. There is a movement coming. Take a look at the energy stocks. Would you believe it? Energy stocks, we're seeing energy go from a lows of 40 to 80. Energy has doubled since November. So while we're all having fun making money in smaller cap tech stocks, there is a rumbling going on in the market. The big institutions are shifting capital out of momentum into these sectors. And that's where we're going at the ARMR Report. I hope that helps you. I wish you a safe and successful day of trading and investing tomorrow. And ARMR Insiders, I'll see you at 8:30 a.m. for the morning call. Take care, everybody. Have a good night.